Very good morning children. Welcome to Narayana live classes. Today I am going to explain about assignment number 14 from 8th class. So, let us see what are the topic of this one. This is comparing quantities using proportions. So, let us see the first assignment question. So, David purchased a pair of shoes for 441 rupees including value added tax if the sales price of the shoes is 400 rupees, 420 rupees. Find the rate of value added tax, means we need to find what is the rate of VAT. So, from this given that what is a selling price. So, David purchased a pair of shoes for 441 including value added tax. So, what is a selling price? If the sales price of the shoes is 420, that is I can take selling price SP is equal to 420 rupees, 420 rupees. So, what is the amount? Tax amount. If you want to find a tax amount, tax money, how much tax we have to pay? That is tax amount is equal to the total. David purchased a pair of shoes, total amount minus selling price, that is SP. Now, we have to find how much tax, that is tax money is equal to 441 minus 420. So, here it is 21. So, rupees 21 is the tax. So, tax is nothing but what it is, 21 rupees is the tax paid in this situation. So, now, we need to find a rate of value added tax. So, how much this is? So, for example, rate is equal to x. So, x percent is the rate. Now, we need to find the rate of value, that is equal to x percentage of 420. X percentage of 420 is equal to 21. So, this 21 is a tax. So, we have to find always a VAT on selling price only, that is how much, 420. So, from this x by 100 into 420 is equal to 21. So, here it is 0 0 cancel. So, how many times 21 and 21 2s are 42. So, how much it is? Let us take it as yes. So, here it is x by 10 into 2 is equal to 1. So, here it is 2 1s are 2 5s are. So, that x is equal to how much? 5. The value added tax is how much rate of, that is 5%. So, likewise we can find, always we have to find VAT on selling price. Let us go for the second question. Yes. So, Amit purchases a motorcycle having market price as 46,000. So, at a discount of 5%, if VAT is charged at the rate of 10%, find the amount Amit has paid to purchase the motorcycle. Before going to that, first we have to write how much selling price is given. So, what is the selling price? Is not at all given selling price. The Amit purchase a motorcycle having the market price is 46,000, that is market price is given as 46,000. So, 46,000 at a discount of 5%. If you want to find selling price, we need to subtract 5% discount from the market price, that is 46,000 minus 5 percentage of 46,000. So, that selling price SP is equal to how much? That is 46,000 minus 5 by 100 into 46,000. So, let us simplify this, here 2 zeros will get cancelled. Next, what about this? So, 460 into 5 will become 0 0 23, that is, so 46,000 minus 2,300. So, what is the selling price? Selling price SP is equal to, so this we can write it as 43,700. 43,700 is the selling price. So, if VAT is charged at the rate of 10%, find the amount Amit has paid to purchase the motorcycle. If you want to find the amount, we need to add VAT as well as SP, that is amount the total amount is equal to SP plus the 10%. So, that is VAT is how much? That is 10%. 10% of VAT on SP. 10% of what on SP? That is SP is equal to how much? That is 43,700 plus 10 percentage of, that is 43,700. Just simplify this. Here it is 43,700 plus 10 by 100, 10 by 100 into 43,700. So, here 2 zeros will get cancelled. So, here it is how much? So, 43,700 plus 4,370. Now, you have to add these two to find the total amount. The total amount will be, so here it is 0 and 7, 0 and 7 and 6. So, here it is 43,700, next 4,370, that is 0, 7, so 8, okay, 48,070, 48,070. This is the total amount paid by the Amit to purchase the motorcycle. Let us take the third question. So, VAT is charged on always a selling price only, what we have discussed in the previous session. So, always we have to find a VAT on selling price only. The first option is the right option. Let us go for the fourth question. So, VAT means it is nothing but what? Value added tax. Which option is correct option? Option B is the correct option. So, thank you children.